SethBling here. So this video, this stream will have spoilers because I'm working on an escape room in Minecraft. So if you want to play the map, don't watch this stream because you'll find out all the answers. But it's also my birthday, so that's going on. And yeah. So I went to GDC like I guess 2 weeks ago. It was 2 weeks ago, and it was pretty inspirational. That's a word, right? Yeah, and yeah. So I went to specifically a couple sessions on making puzzles. I went to some sessions on more general game design, and I want to make an escape room. I've never obviously made an escape room before. Most people haven't. It's kind of a difficult thing to make. Mostly they exist in real life. I'm gonna make one in Minecraft. That's a little bit different. How do I? No, other way. There we go. Yeah. It's a little bit easier in Minecraft, I think. Don't have to make physical things. I've already got some puzzles done, more or less. How old am I? I turned 32 today. Welcome back, Jonathan ABT here. Thanks for resubbing for 15 months. Much appreciated. So let's see. Oh man, if you guys didn't watch my April Fool's video, I was pretty happy with that one. That one was really last second. I started working on that one maybe 2 p.m. on March 31st. Let's see, where's that's weird. Where's the armor stand? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's Minecraft in Minecraft. You don't think it was as good as the 2018 one? People have different opinions. I don't know. They're different. They're kind of targeting different audiences. Move forward, jump, stop moving, look left, look up. Move forward, jump, stop moving. Oh, right up against the well. Oh, he's gonna jump in the. Oh no, he jumped over it. Yeah, it looks pretty good from certain viewpoints. That's not bad, right? That kind of looks like a village almost. You can see all the houses and stuff. But yeah, you should go check out that video if you haven't seen it. That's not what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be working on. So I have no armor stands in that one. It's weird for me. I usually use armor stands. Let's see. So I have a new puzzle I want to be working on. So I'm gonna be doing that. Prototyping it, seeing if I can make it work okay. Let's do it. I just need to pick a spot. Welcome back, RossBoss74 here, and also welcome back, Ninja Knight here. Thank you guys. Yeah, that one. There. That one. Thank you guys for subbing Twitch Prime. Much appreciated. So yeah, I need to just pick a spot for this. Let's actually use diamond blocks. Actually, yeah, this is fine. Okay, and then let's see. So I just need some coordinates. So I'm gonna be using my a version of my robot arm in Minecraft. So there's gonna be a lot of coding type stuff in this stream. Let's see, I haven't looked at this code in a while. Okay, so this is the location. So I want to do -806. 805,500, I think. Yeah. And then 62, what was it? 62, and then 86. All right. And yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna run this script. Oh. 113. There's a syntax error. Oh, right. Oops. All right. So this should create a robot arm. Uh-oh. Oh, welcome back, Voy Killer here. Thanks for subbing with Twitch Prime. Let's see. What was the line? 185. So somewhere... Whoa, what? Oh. It doesn't like this. That's weird. Huh. Yeah, this is Notepad++. Oh, I don't think I need this code. Oh, wait. Yeah. This doesn't need to be here, I don't think. Yeah, because I'm not gonna be doing any inverse kinematics with this robot arm. What are these things? I don't even... sure. Let's just save. What? 254. So square root is just not... It must have introduced a bug in my compiler or something. Alright. Let's see. So I should get a robot arm now. Boop. Yeah. Wait, what? What's going on here? Wait. Huh. That doesn't seem right. Okay, I don't think this is robot arm, guys. No, it's the problem. I mean, this is the square root is done at runtime. There's no like negative number, and also those are all squared, so they can't be negative. Huh. Well, I kind of didn't expect that to not work. Let's see. Huh. Well, let me look at all this stuff. Okay, pause equals here. Yeah, that should be fine. This is not a publicly available programming language. This is just for me. Yeah, it looks like they're all like say. Oh yeah, actually, I want to change. I want to change this from using a custom name to using a tag, because tags are way better. So then, but anyway, say hi at e name equals mini block. I think, yeah, there's a lot of them. Did I save this? Okay, yeah. Reload. / kill at e name equals mini block. Huh, wait. Where's the, I'm not even getting anything now. Oh, it created 2 armor stands. Huh. So there's the claw. There's one of the claw arms. Where's... Something's going on here. Is there a reason that I didn't release my programming language? Yeah, because I don't want to. Welcome back. Greasy Woot here. Thanks for resubbing for 50 months. It is almost 50 years, so thank you very much. And thanks for all the happy birthday wishes. I am seeing them. Quick maths. Yeah. So why are none of these things working anymore? This is just like working less and less as I modify this. Thanks for the 30 bits, Fred EDB. And the happy birthday wishes. Maybe I should just like start over, because I'm not exactly sure why this isn't working. So hold on, let's look at the reset function. This reset function should be like creating stuff at places. It's kind of not though. Arm pause arm. So wait, that should be fine though. This language is called CB script. You think this is ugly code? Try looking at some MC function files sometime and tell me this is ugly code. I created my own programming language because working directly with MC function files is the worst. It's really slow, it's error prone, it's not readable at all. It's hard to modify. You have to like look through a bunch of files, and it's just bad. I'm not really sure how this code was supposed to work. So it is creating like these things at the player. Why isn't it like moving them? Say equals 0. Let's see. Update. What's update? Update like updates the position, I'm pretty sure. Okay. So this should be fine. Maybe Also, why isn't it creating them? Okay. There's something even, yeah, it's not even creating the mini blocks. So is this code not running? Let's see. It doesn't look like it is running. Huh. This is really weird. What is happening? Is this like not? Is my code not running at all? It is running this. It is running this. But it's not running this? Okay. What? Huh. Alright. I'm actually going to have to look at an MC function file now, because this doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Control. So this is line 77 or 76. No, it's 74. Okay. So this is the actual MC function file. Huh. I mean, hold on, Let me oops. Let me make sure that I'm actually in the right place. Hold on. Why is that line not showing up? /say test isn't showing up. I'm really confused. Oh, because no, it should be right here. Yeah, it's like square player set global seg 0. That's this line of code. So why isn't this line of code showing up? Is it not actually compiling? Hold on, let's... Sorry, I didn't expect like to have this level of problems. I guess that's just what happens when you stream, right? It's just... It's compiling it. Huh. But it's like not modifying this file. Like the last modified for this file is 2 minutes ago. It's like it can't actually write to the file or something. But it didn't have any problems modifying. This is really confusing. No, it did write the zip file. It did rewrite the zip file. Oh, maybe I just hadn't refreshed. Oh no, it did write to the file, but it just didn't update it with the new... Oh, there it is. It just wasn't actually refreshing it. I guess I just wasn't refreshing. Okay. Okay, so it is running that code. Okay, so then is this function... Okay, execute if global score seg matches ... 3 run function. Maybe the name of the data pack is too long. Oh, yeah, is there a restriction on namespace lengths? Is that what's happening? It just like can't call any functions? No, that can't be true because it's still not running the function though. Well, the objectives are less than 15. Like there's... Like seg is the only objective here. I don't know why it's not running... Like, you can see the score value for seg is 10. Or, sorry, it's 4. So why isn't this running the code? Like, why is this... not working? Whoops. Unknown function. Oh, there's a compile error. There's a compile error. Oh, hold on. Okay. There was a compile error. That's it. That's all. Let's see if we can find that. Or, yeah, syntax error in the data pack. Ah, come on. Come on. This thing is not cooperating. Oh my god, please. It's just really not cooperating. I don't know what's happening here. I can't get this. What is happening with the hotbar? It's just like constantly... Okay. Yeah, couldn't load function... Hold on, let's see if we can get... Oh, great. Oh, no, okay. There we go. Okay, yeah, I couldn't load. Jesus Christ. It's just like pulling the rug out from under me. Okay. Expected a colon at position 46 in... No, stop moving. I keep losing my place because it keeps moving all the text. Like what? Okay. Oh, robot arm update.mc function. Okay, so this is the function it doesn't like. Line 6, position 46. Expected a colon at position 46. What's position 46? What? That's really confusing. Well, let me make sure I have this right. Couldn't load update.mc function while parsing command on line... Oh, line 27. Okay. Must have been looking at a different thing. So, at position 46. Okay. Oh, did I... Oh, there it is. Okay. There should be a colon there. Yep. Okay, cool. That's the bug. Alright. Yeah, I forgot a colon. That was pretty cool. Yep, alright, it works. Sorry, I'm a little sick still. Okay. We fixed it, guys. Yeah, thanks everyone who probably said it in chat and as I was still looking for it. Okay. All right. Let's get rid of this. So it's still not working. It's still doing this. So is there still like a parse error? I don't think there's a parse error. There's no, why is there no... There's no scroll bar here. And thanks for the happy birthday wishes, everybody who's coming here and wishing me a happy birthday and stuff. Sorry, I'm a little bit more focused on, you know, on this stuff. Okay, so I don't think that there's any compile or like syntax errors now. So I'm not sure exactly why this is just free floating instead of like it's summoning it in the right place. In the right place. It should be moving it though then thereafter. So let's see. Let's make sure this is getting run. Updates. Let's reload. Yeah, it's getting run. Okay. Huh. Yeah, they're all just running at the same coordinates for some reason. Like at the place where they respond. So that's interesting. So shouldn't it be running it like at a location? At? Oh. What? What's live? Or live? Oh. Oh! Okay. I'm gonna just get rid of all this. No. What is this? I don't know what this code is. Alright, let's just get rid of this, I guess. Alright. I don't know what that did, but let's try getting rid of it. Hey, it works now! sure. Sometimes you just need to delete some code. Alright, so I think what was happening is it, like, that old code was looking for a target to track. Anyway. Scoreboard players set at E. Scores equal... God, I don't write a lot of this syntax by hand. Sig equals 1. What do I do here? There's like... I don't want mini block. I want segment, I think, right? Do these... Oh, they're called markers. Okay. Tag equals marker. Scores equals sig... I think I want like this. 0. Yeah, that works. Slightly changing these things. Cool, and then DRY is... Cool. What if I did like this? Okay, cool. Whee! Cool. And it should loop around automatically, I think. It didn't loop around automatically. That's fine. All right, let's see if I can remove any code that's like apply rotation. So what's this? What is any of this? What does any of this code do? CRX. So these are... I would think DRX should be like delta, but it's not. So what is it? Oh, should I turn... Maybe just turn the gain down a little bit on my mic. Where's the code that actually, like, tries to find the, like, actual rotation? Oh, right. It's here. It's this stuff. This stuff finds the... Okay, so if I just delete... Oh, wait. So what's the performance like right now? Oh, geez. A tick is almost half a second. Okay. Well, let's delete this stuff. I don't think any of it's needed. Just delete some code. I don't think I need this either. So, yeah. Yeah, all right. And now it's running way faster. Yeah, it's almost at 20 ticks per second. Yeah, and look how much faster it's running now. All right, cool. Cool. Let's just remove some code. It's all good. If... Interesting. Alright. And then there should be like a... Oh yeah, I don't need this stuff. Just delete all this. Don't need it. Yeah. Just keep deleting code, seeing if it still works. Looks like it still works. Cool. What else do I not need? So this stuff is like setting minimums and maximums on the like angles. I might not need that anymore since it's gonna be player controlled. Hey, thanks for the 80 bits, Film Tire, and thanks for the birthday wishes. Oh, I think I missed a sub. Welcome back, Coldstone37 here. Thanks for subbing with Twitch Prime. Okay. So, I don't need this stuff. This stuff is like Target stuff. Welcome back, Ariel511 here. Thanks for subbing for 2 months. Don't delete code. Yeah, I don't know. It's not necessary anymore, so why would I keep it? And then I still want this in here. Let's see. Yeah, and I think I want all of this as well. Let's see. So I definitely need apply rotation. Reset I also need. Oh, non-stick. Okay. I think I'm going to need to copy some stuff from my pushables, because I'm going to combine the pushables script with the other one. So let's copy these. I don't have any way to like share definitions between files. Something I will add eventually, I'm sure, but cool. All right, so then those go there. Let's make some other things non-stick. Let's see. Or let's see. Let's see. What do we? So we have physics, solid block, disguise, and fake block. These are all pushables, block types. Oh, what was this? Oh, disguise. I think some laundry might have just finished. No, I don't think it's unlocked yet. Okay, so it'll only grab onto solid blocks now. All right, so I need to create some pushables, I think. Pushables. Let's see, how do I create a pushable? Oh, right, I do just call create block. I might have to, oh yeah, I think the laundry just finished. Hold on, I'm gonna be right back and put some laundry in the dryer, so I'll be Sorry, I'll be right back. Always clean your lint trap. It's important. Otherwise things could catch on fire. It's really important to clean your lint trap. Okay. Right. So if, oh right. So how do I do this? Create block. Create. Oh, right. All right. If block. Welcome back, taking you down here. And welcome back, Sling CR here. Thank you guys for subbing with Twitch Prime. 2 years for taking you down. Much appreciated. Let's see. Why is the file extension CBScript and not just CBS? Because. Alright, the controls for this thing will be... What type of block should be a control? It has to be a full block, but what type of block should be a control block for a robot arm? Like iron block or something? I think I'm already... No, I'm not using iron blocks. Oh, redstone. Redstone lamp seems okay. Something redstone? Yeah. It can't be like a lever. It has to be a full block. Iron bar. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. I think I like either iron block or... Oh, command block? Nah. Command block's too... Got too much associated with it. I might make it like a... Yeah, I think redstone lamp's good. Lamp. Lock X. Well, let's see. I don't think it really matters. Lock. Yeah, sure. Let's lock X. All right. Let me just try making that real quick. Stone lamp. Let's see if that works. It didn't work. Huh, that's weird. Oh, I didn't reload. Yeah, hold on. Wait, what's the function called? Delete here, destroy here, remove here. Oops. Okay. Alright, did that work? It didn't. Is it? It's called redstone lamp, right? I mean, this one. I'm not sure why this isn't working. Did I introduce another compile error? Doesn't look like it. Why isn't it? Man. Okay, I don't know why the... Oh, because I'm not recompiling this one automatically. There. Yeah, I wasn't recompiling that. Okay, yeah. That should work now. So I have to delete this one. Alright. Yeah, cool. So now it's locked in the... Like, its x-coordinate is locked. Cool. And it can't be pushed this way. Cool. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. So then, so I need to make like 4 of those. So let's see. Resets. So how do I do that? I run arm control. All right, we'll do it like that. Then wait, so what do I have to do to create? Oh, right, no. So I want to, let's see, set block. It's okay, let's remove this one. So I need to make some controls for this thing. 796, 56, 89. Redstone lamp at let's see. So like this. Pushable distance equals 1. Arm control equals 1. So let's try this. Yeah, cool. And then if I reload, it should kill that and make a new one. Yeah, cool. All right. Sweet. Did I decide what service to use for hosting and downloading files? I'm going to try S3, Amazon AWS S3. I'm going to try it. So this isn't really that safe. This code isn't that safe because if there's another pushable block there, it technically could like set the wrong score for the wrong one. But since I'm going to be creating all the pushable blocks like before the map gets released, I can just make sure that that's fine. So then I do this. Let's just add 2 to the Z. Oops. Or no, I didn't want to add 2 to the Z. I wanted to add 2 to the... Oh, hold on. So, whoops. I can do this. This is what I should be doing. And I wanted to add 2 to the X. Yeah, okay, cool. So now I have a couple of levers, or a couple of knobs, basically. All right, so then... all right, I'm just going to try something. I'm going to try this. So, marker sig equals 1 dot drx equals pushable arm control equals 1 dot x percent 36,000 minus 180,000. Didn't work. compile error. Thanks for the 1,000 bits, Aaron. Aaron13PS. Thanks for helping you become the programmer you are today. One runs tutorial at a time. Yeah, no problem. I had fun making him too, so I'm glad you found him useful, and yeah, that's cool. Thank you. So there was a compile error. What was the compile error? Oh, right. This needs a limit of 1. Okay, yeah. Man, I'm really glad I added that check there to make sure that it's like a single. So let's see. Oh, it's this one. I don't think this is moving it. It's hard to tell, actually. Okay. I think I need to like multiply this by like 10 or something. Actually, no, it just looks like it's just not working. Yeah, I don't think this is working. Shoot. I thought this was working though. Wait a second. Hold on. Tag. Why is it still being named marker? Like this armor stand is being named marker, but it shouldn't be. I'm a little confused about that. I'm not using custom name anywhere in here. Yeah, I could reload while looking at the arm. That'd be a good way to do it, I guess. Yeah, it's not changing. Okay, so I didn't save that command. Marker. Oops. So that should be working. Let's see. I'm gonna just open up this MC function file and see what the code actually is. Oh, whoops. Let me actually refresh this first. Wait, where's the code? It's not in there. Huh. Is this code not getting... Oh, there's a compile error. Oh. Well, I had like highlighted text... I had highlighted text in the command window here, which was preventing it from recompiling. Great. Okay, here's all this other code that... Okay. Alright, let's see if it works now. Not that one. Huh. That's still not working, though. Is it... I put this in a clock, right? All right, so let's. All right, I'm gonna look at the actual function now. So let's see if this like targets the correct entity. whatever. Yeah, okay. So it is targeting the entity. That value is getting set, but let's see. Execute store result ID. Okay, let me make sure that this is like it's getting the. Okay, it should be getting the value from the armor stand. So okay, let's do this line by line. So it's it's storing the result of the entity's position 0 into its X score. Then scratch 0 is being copied from that X score. Then scratch 0 is being multiplied by 10. Then modulus by 360,000. Then we're removing 180,000. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. So which one is it? It's this one. Okay. So it is the one closer. That's the one I thought it was. It's not working. I'm supposed to be using Z. X is the locked value. Nobody in my chat said that. Somebody was supposed to figure it out for me. Yep, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's cool. Cool. All right. So this is now easy. I mean, I just copy and paste a bunch of things. And then this one goes side to side. So we have up and down, we have side to side. Okay, cool. Alright, I just need 2 more of those and I'll be done. I mean, not quite done, but done with the control part of it. Thank you for the birthday wishes, everybody. I'm seeing them. I appreciate it. Nice. Alright. Where was it that I created these? This should be in... Let's just look at 100 bits, Bucky the Cat. Much appreciated. Okay, so let's add 2 more of these. And then 2, 0, 3, 4. And then 2 more of these. And done. Like, that's it. All right, cool. So that one that controls vertical. This one controls a horizontal. This one controls vertical. This is pretty sweet. And this one controls horizontal. I think I actually want to switch those. Let's do, like, which ones do verticals, which ones do horizontal. Because I think I want the last one to be vertical. Like, oh, what? Does that one not have... Oh, huh, okay. Oh, I think it's just not in the range. Like, there's a certain range of where it can actually go. Can I can pull this too, right? Yeah, here we go. I moved too fast. Huh. Oh, there we go. I saw it move. Huh, yeah. Oh, okay. It has a range that makes sure it stays like... Okay. Oh, that's not going to help. Yeah, it makes basically this one is limited to like facing downward. So let's let me see how far away is this. So it's facing, looking at block 69, and the default position is 89. So I want to subtract 20 or add 20. Subtract 20. Let's see if this works. I think I was supposed to add 20. No, neither one. Because I'm multiplying by 10. And this should be a minus, actually. Yeah, there we go. Cool. So now this is like a horizontal movement. Good. I think I want to make the starting values a little bit different though for this, because if you can't control it. Oh, huh. I feel like that's straightening out. That's weird, actually. Oh, this is cool. This is too cool. And of course I can like restrict the values by just putting blocks down. So let's get it to like the most extreme value that I want to allow. Okay, so that's the most extreme value. So let's just put a block here. Oops. Actually, let's see. Oh, I think it's capped out. Okay. I'm going to move it a little bit more, and then we'll put a block here. Huh. Maybe I should just, let me try just like capping all of these out at the same range and just seeing like what the range of movement is for that robot arm, like as it currently stands. Huh, okay, interesting. Oh, that moves it up? Huh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like definitely play around with these. Oh, here, I should pull this. So that's cool because it'll drop whatever block like right here. So basically what I'm going to do is have like or maybe I'll have like a giant glass wall here or something. Yeah, I think that's better than. And you'll have to like grab blocks, grab stuff through this wall. Cool. Yeah. I think I'm gonna like just change the formulas here. Like this one can be a lot more sensitive. Oops. Ah. Oops. Let's see. Oh, whoa, this is like moving like really fast now. Okay, that's way too sensitive, but Yeah, let's change. Let's just change these around. Let's play with some different values. Basically, it's 20 degrees per block is what I'm at right now. But it'd be nice if it could make it like a full 360 arc within this range. It looks like it can barely reach the side of the glass. Yeah, okay, that's actually okay. Thank you for the happy birthday wishes. So let's do for each of those, let's do times 20. And actually, let's do times 20 here as well. So then I need some way to like, whoa. Okay, that's not what I thought was going to happen. So that's this one, right? Wait, why are multiple angles changing when this moves? This shouldn't be the case. Huh. Maybe I'm changing the wrong values. Maybe it's supposed to be CRX. What's CRX and CRY? Oh, I think C is like the capped or something. The capped values. It's the values that actually get used. No, I think DRX and DRY are the right things. I don't know what they stand for. Who wrote this code? It's horrible. Comments are key. I mean, the language does technically support comments. Technically. I could write them. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, so why are multiple angles changing? I'm not really sure. Oh, it's like the oh no, this is the angle that changes as I. Why am I doing it this way? This doesn't seem right. I'm like adding angles together. Huh. I don't think I've like... I don't think I implemented this correctly, and I think it just didn't come out because of the way that because it was just doing inverse kinematics to find the solution. This isn't the way it should behave, though. It's like moving multiple angles. Actually, is it? Maybe it's not. Maybe that angle is staying the same. No, this angle should be staying the same. Or no, I guess. No, this angle is the only one that should change, but this angle is also changing. I'm not sure why. Huh. It's like gonna be pretty hard to control this. Well, I already did an inverse kinetic solver. I'm just trying to remove the inverse kinematic solver and let the player control it. That's the only difference here. No, it's definitely changing this angle too. Oh, I think it's because that angle is like capped though, is the only reason why. Why it's changing that angle. Oh, maybe they're both capped. Yeah, I think that's what it... No? Huh. This doesn't look right. Well, maybe I just say that's part of the puzzle. It's an escape room. It's supposed to have difficult puzzles, right? Part of the puzzle is figure out how the hell this robot arm math works. I think it should be fine, honestly. Like, All right. I'm going to just call it good. So then... Let's see. All right, so look for target equals true. Okay. I guess I can just do that, and I'll just get rid of target. I just got a donation. Oh, I got 2 donations. What? What? I got 3. I missed a bunch of donations. Thank you. Hi, I'm Pivot for 498 bits. Thank you. And thank you, Mr. Docker, for $5. Buy yourself a king-size candy, birthday boy. Buy yourself a king-size candy, birthday boy. There's no punctuation. So anyway, thank you. And also the Gamesters, thanks for $5. And the happy birthday wishes. And thank you everybody else for the happy birthday wishes. Yay. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Wait, what's this? Oh, that's those things. Okay. Just like get rid of everywhere that the word target is used. Sure. All right. So let's see if this works. So it should be able to pick this up, I think. Let's see. Buy myself a candy, birthday boy. Yeah. Thanks. Run, function, pushable. All right, so we have a create block there. So let's see if this picks it up. All right, gotta lift. No, let's lift this up. No, which way is it? Oh, that I see. Lift. Nope, other way. Oh, that's as high as it goes. All right. Oh, no, come back. No, I think I need... Oh, I guess I can do... Let's do this one. Wait, why is that one not working now? Ah! Huh. Whoa, that's not what I expected. Let's see. How does this thing even work? Huh. I like put it too close to the base stand and now I can't even get it. Maybe if I do it like this. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Get it. Oh, it's too far over. Can I use this one yet? No. Huh. Huh. Why don't I raise the crane? Because I can't, I guess? I'm not sure why. This is, for some reason, really low. Okay, I need to modify this one, I think. Let's do that. What's this now? Okay, there we go. Now I can raise it. Let's see if I can. I don't know where it is relative. Yeah, it looks pretty close actually. I think if I just do this and then swing around one of the arms, let's actually need to push this down a little bit, and then which way does this need to go? Other way. Nope, other way. Ooh, did I get it? Oh, it's close. Wait. Where is it? It's like touching it. But it's not close enough to pick it up. Or maybe it is and it just doesn't work. Whoops. Okay. That was good. It looks really close. Pick it up! Alright. Maybe it's this? Oh, whoops. It wasn't actually like looking at the location of the claw. In fact, I don't even need that as... Whoops. I just need that. Alright, so this will have a bit better tolerance, I think. Why did it just start moving down there? What? Okay. And then if I can lower this... It looks like it's close. Is it close? I can't actually tell. Not even a little bit, no. Alright, I think I'm going to need to be able to, like... Or let the player, like, be able to get over there so that they can actually see. Is that closer? It's a little closer. Yeah, alright. Maybe if I straighten this one... Oh, sorry. Ooh. It's getting close. It should be within 2 blocks now. I should have picked it up by now. Yeah, it's like inside of it now. So it's obviously not grabbing it. This is pretty cool though. I mean, it's like fun to play around with. Yeah, a targeting system where there's like something like particles that show you what's directly below the claw or something. That'd be good. I like that. So why isn't it picking it up? Oh, I thought I changed this to 2. That's not really going to help. All right. Well, I'm going to reload. Try this again. Have fun trying to... Let's see. I'll like pull this one up a bit. I don't think that's really changing the location. Will this be on realms? Oh, maybe. Let's see. Oh, that's not helpful. Oh, it's close. It's not that close. Let's see, which way? No, other way. I want to go like this. And like that, maybe? Oh, that looks close. Yeah, I think if I just straighten out this arm a little bit. Yeah, I don't think it's working though, still. And then lift this one up a bit. Yeah. It's like right on it. Should be picking it up. Let's see. So why isn't it? It's compiling correctly, yeah. And then are there like compile errors? Don't think so. It's pre-recorded. Not quite. So why not? Let's look at this code again. So we're moving it to the location of the armor stand that has the banner on its head for the claw. We're looking for an entity that's near that location with a distance of 2 that is not non-stick. Maybe... Oh, I know what it is. Because it doesn't have a non-stick score. Okay. Unless add s.nonstick. There we go. All right. I think that's why. It was happening. Let's try it again. Oh, what? It like fell through the ground. That's actually really weird. I don't... And why is it like... Huh. Okay, I'm gonna... Let's just make this really easy for myself. Right here. Oops. Okay. This should be very easy now. Just like rotate this a little bit. Not quite. Actually, I think I want this the other way. Okay. Maybe it's not that easy. It looks close. Did it pick it up? Oh, it's hooked. Yeah, it's hooked. It's just not moving it. Um. Hmm. So it's hooked. It's not drop. But it's not being moved around. No, it is being moved around. But it's not, It's like it was being pushed around. Wonder if there's some pushables code that's like overriding it. Ooh. So what is it? It's it's an armor stand. It's definitely an armor stand. Yeah, it's the right entity. Pretty sure that's the right entity. It's not just gravity though. It's also like not following the armor stand or not following the hook. Like this line is not doing its job. Maybe it just wasn't like graphically updating the position. Oh, it's hooked. Oh, you know what? Huh. Yeah, it's like... I mean, even when I reload, it's staying hooked, so... Like, it should just already be teleported to the armor stand, or to the claw position. Why isn't it? Alright, let's look at this line of code. Or, yeah, okay, so it's... So it's this one right here. Wait, it still has the word target in there. What? Okay, hold on. Why does... Oh, maybe I didn't just reload the zip file before I looked at it. Okay, no, it's fine. It's this one. Okay. Yeah, the CV script language is for data packs. It compiles into data packs. So this should work. Thanks for the happy birthday wishes, everybody. Jeez. All right, let me try something. Looks right. It's just not moving. It's just not moving the entity there. Man, this is like kind of. I feel like I wanted this stream to go better than this. I'm just constantly hunting down bugs. I don't usually spend this much time hunting down bugs when I'm doing something like this. I'm sorry, guys. This should be working. I don't know why it's not. It's unless something's overriding the position of the entity or something. But I don't think it should be. Like, yeah, it should definitely be working. No, I'm not releasing this language. It's for me. I'm really slow at typing out the new scores syntax. It instantly rehooked it. That's interesting. Wait. Ooh. I know what's happening. And I know why that teleported into the ground. It's because I'm cheating. This is a really like complicated bug. But it's basically because like the way the pushable blocks works is there's an armor stand. Yeah. There's an armor stand and then there's a bunch of other stuff that gets wait, no, this is still here. Oh, never mind. I don't know why it's not working. Hold on. Okay. Let's try this. I think it was just like hooked onto an invisible armor stand and not the pushable blocks. Yep. Yeah. Whoa, what's going on here though? Oh no, it's okay, never mind. It was just hidden. There's just an invisible armor stand screwing around. Okay. It's like hard to get this to go over the wall, actually. Cool. Huh. Cool. I think gravity never got unset from this, though. Oh, no, it did. Oh, man. Can't pull it. Cool. Okay, that still works. Yeah. Jeez. Okay. So I need a way to actually drop the item. Drop the block. Man, okay. That was a lot more taxing than I thought it would be. Just God, it basically works now. The controls are a little weird. Like angles control multiple, like each of these blocks kind of controls multiple angles for some reason. Like, why is this not moving? I need these things to move faster, these blocks. I'm gonna actually just make them move a little bit faster. They move too slow. Twice as fast. It doesn't really feel twice as fast, huh? It doesn't feel any different. It recompiled it, right? Oh, hold on. This isn't getting recompiled. 294. Whoops. Yeah. What? Unexpected equals. Wait, this isn't. I'm confused. What the? Oh. It's not recompiling it. No, that's not the one. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Why wasn't it recompiling it? Man, there's just like issues. I don't know. I actually have never seen this one happen before. It just stopped compiling it. What? Also, line 294 has no equal sign. Oh, that's pushables. Yeah. That's why it wasn't recompiling. Oh, I see. It's because none of that works. Okay, so here. That's fine. I don't actually need any of that code. So cool. I don't actually need like function refresh. Let's just move all of this initialization code into refresh. And then I can manually run it if I want, because this is like causing issues. Okay. So then if I reload, it shouldn't like move anything around, and I should still be able to control this. Cool. And then I can separate the like refresh functionality from everything else. Yeah, why isn't this moving any faster? I just changed the code. It should be moving faster. Oh, that's fast. Oh, okay, I see. That's because I changed the wrong one. Okay. It's still not really faster. Oh, well, okay. I kind of see why. It's because it's like moving away from me. Like each like game tick, it's moving a little bit farther than it was before, so it's moving away from me anyway. And there's not like much residual like slide. Yeah, at least like holding shift works a little bit faster. Wait, but I didn't modify that one. I don't know. All right, let's make a. Let's see. Let's see if I can grab that one. What's up, short stuff? It's been a while. Haven't seen you in a while. Let's see. Put that down. Perfect. Oh, it grabbed it, but it didn't actually grab it. Wait, what did it grab? It grabbed something. Oh no, it has the okay. It just didn't move the block. That was weird. Well, okay. See if I can get this over here. Cool. And then I need some like, I think what I'm gonna have it do is automatically drop it if it's like over, like, if it gets past the wall, basically. So you only have to worry about moving the arm around. Oh, because the crane was in the ground? I think it should still move even if the crane's in the ground. Anyway, okay, cool. This was like basically what I wanted to accomplish in this stream. Narthathuth, what's up? Also been a while since I've seen you. Yeah, maybe I should just have a button that just drops whatever you're holding. Either way, it's not like a difficult like problem to add that. Well, I thought that for a lot of this stuff, and it's kind of been difficult. But how long did it take me to adjust to the new syntax? Which, like you're saying in version 1.13 or whatever? It's not like I adjusted to the new syntax. It's that I implemented the new syntax in my scripting language. I've been using CBScript since like 1.9. So I haven't been like manually writing commands since then. Like the Atari emulator was built with CBScript. So was the actually the basic programming language was also built with CBScript. That was where I added a lot of the functionality to the language to make that one work and make it a little bit easier to implement. CBScript is this stuff. It's my own private programming language. This must be where all of Etho's diamonds go. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. So it used to compile into, like, you used to actually add command blocks to the world. And when you'd see all those, like, strips of command blocks in my worlds, that's what that was. That's why mine always looked just like lines of command blocks and never had any, like, variety to it. Because I didn't place any command blocks by hand. It just compiled into command blocks. But now it just compiles straight to a data pack. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I would never want to like write a data pack by hand anymore. It's just so like the syntax is so tedious and yeah, it's like really error prone writing that stuff by hand too. Like I'm a lot less likely to mess up something like this versus like versus like scoreboard players set as cold. Like there's just a lot more like, and something like this is actually a bunch of commands, but this is like it's like sets a bunch of scores, divides them by a constant. The constant's automatically created. Then it like sets the scores for the entity, and then it like runs some execute commands to store the result in the velocity components. This is actually like 10 commands. And they're 10 commands that have like a lot of text in them too. No, I'm not. I don't plan on making it public. It's just there's like a bunch of reasons, but I don't plan on making this public. I mean, it's possible one day I will, but I have a bunch of reasons why I don't want to. Anyway, oh man, I was like planning on doing some more, but that was really mentally taxing. That was really mentally taxing, just like fighting through all the bugs and stuff. CB does stand for command blocks. Originally it compiled into command blocks. So the name is kind of an artifact. It is tax season. You got me, Narthatooth. I filed already. I'm so ahead of the game. I filed my taxes. It was pretty easy this year. I didn't really have a lot going on. I didn't do like a ton of I don't know, weird monetary things or whatever. What language did I write the parser in? I wrote it in Python. This is kind of interesting. I have to be careful about this because you can actually stand on this block. So if you have multiple players, you can like bring the block down to player level. They jump on and then they like hold space while you like bring the block over the wall. Like I didn't sell any stocks this year or anything like that, for instance, and I didn't have a lot of like I didn't have any like sponsorships and videos or anything. It was just really straightforward this year. I mean, I could just make the wall like solid, or even I could just make it out of barriers. Like the arm is going to ignore the wall no matter what, like even if it's solid blocks. So do I think I'll get any more sponsorships? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, probably at some point. I don't really like doing them that much, but they make you a lot of money. Like there can be a lot of money involved in those. So kind of depends if I just see one that I think is a good fit. I mean, when it was like Minecraft, like hired me to like work with their new behavior packs on Bedrock, and I was like, you mean I get to like try out this new feature before everyone else and like screw around with it and make something that I think is cool and you'll pay me a bunch of money? Yeah, sure. Deal. But they're not all that pleasant. Yeah. Yeah, screwing around with like selling and buying stocks makes taxes a pain. I was really happy I didn't have to do any of that last year, sell any stocks. I don't I don't remember. I'm not sure I even bought any, but that wouldn't affect my taxes, so. What are behavior packs? They're a Bedrock feature. You can like modify the behavior of mobs. Maybe I'll just chill with you guys for a while, just like chat. I don't know. I have some other stuff I could spoil you on in the for the escape room. I don't think I'm gonna do that though, if I don't need to. Or maybe I'll chat with you guys and then I'll like feel like I want to work on some more stuff. Yeah. I mean, I'm kind of already chatting. Wow. Brian Steam is just like, if he's just going to chat, I'm out. I just wanted to see some Minecraft map making. What cape am I wearing? I'm not sure. Oh, this is the map maker cape. Or Realms cape. You get this cape for having 3 maps on Realms, which I don't think I have any anymore because they're all like stopped working. Thank you, Bubblegum Beanie. But I was actually at some point I was the only person in the world to have this cape because I was the first person to have 3 maps on Realms. But I think a bunch of other people have them now. Yeah, it was like pretty brief, the period where I was the only person to have this the cape. Why don't I update the maps to make them work in newer versions? I don't know. Let's just work. I don't really want to do. I don't really want to do it. Basically, like a lot of what drives my decision making is what can I make videos about or stream. Because, like, if I'm not making a video about it or streaming, then it's not like I'm not making money. I'm not really building an audience. I mean, I guess you could say that maybe, like, I'm building an audience through Realms, but I doubt it. I doubt I get that many viewers through, like, people who discover my Realms maps. I kind of just do the Realms thing as, like, a bonus for whatever I'm working on. If it's free, then I might as well, just because, like, I don't know, makes Mojang like me more. And oh yeah, cause I'm going to the Minecraft Creator Summit in May this year. So like that's the sort of thing you get invited to more often if you like make maps for Realms. But I don't want to do a bunch of extra work to like make old maps work again. Could you make it so you control arm segments with like items and player rotation? Yeah, I could, for sure. I'm just doing like a lot of stuff with pushable blocks and like one of the goals for this map or one of the like design ideals is that things should be as like multiplayer friendly as possible. And so if you have stuff in player inventories or if you're like doing stuff, basically I just want like as little as possible to rely on things players are doing. And I want as much stuff as possible to rely on the state of the world so that players can all see what's going on and like do like interact cooperatively to like do those things. So pushable blocks are great for that because they can control things like this and everyone can see them and multiple people can do it at once. Like you can have multiple people pushing multiple levers at once, multiple of these sliders at once. So maybe I should have them facing the armor stand so that, or the robot arms so that you can like push and pull both and they'll both work. This reminds you of Baba Is You a little bit. So I've been playing some Baba Is You. I've been doing it mostly off stream. I did some on stream, but I decided that it was just like a little bit more pleasant to play it off stream because of the backseat gaming. So at GDC, I went to this talk by the creator of Limelight. He had a lot of things to say about puzzle games. And I think like I agreed with him about a lot of stuff. And it also kind of helped like ruin Baba Is You a little bit for me. Like, I played Limelight after I got home from GDC, and I thought it was a great game. It's like pretty short, but it was really crisp, and like you're never stuck for very long, but you still feel clever when you like solve the puzzles. And like some of the things he was saying was stuff that I like had never really put into words, or maybe I had kind of put into words, but he put it a little bit more clearly. And it was stuff like he noticed that a lot of the best puzzles in Limelight, like the solution could be said in one sentence. It's like there's like a single concept that is a solution, and like once you're done with the level, you could say that sentence. You could say what the solution was for that level. Welcome back, Elisar1 here. Thanks for subbing. Yay! But I find with a lot of Baba Is You levels, you can't. Like, it was like kind of a convoluted process of like, yeah, I kind of had to do this, and then like I had to work this thing over here kind of by switching back and forth between this, and then like I was able to finally like push this through a like barrier that I couldn't walk through. Like it's a lot of steps, and like with Baba Is You, the other thing is like the other thing that the Limelight creator said in his talk was like, once you have the solution, you should know that you have the solution, and it should be like clear to you that you have the solution. And there's been a lot of Baba Is You puzzles where I like tried something and wasn't sure it was the solution, and then it ended up being like, yeah, it's a solution, but only after you do a little bit more like fidgety stuff. And like Baba Is You has a really cool like engine and concept, but I think the execution's missing a little bit on a lot of those puzzles. Like they're not as crisp as they could be. I think they're not as like satisfying as they could be. Like I finished a lot of those levels, and I'm like, man, I can't believe I got through all that, and then I can't like say what I did. I think the elegance of puzzles has a lot to do with how good a puzzle is, though, in terms of like player satisfaction after the fact. I don't know. I certainly like complicated problems too, and a lot of that it comes at like when I'm programming. I do like that's basically like a very complicated puzzle game a lot of the time. But I find a lot of those words that he was saying resonating with me of like, yeah, I don't always feel that satisfied when I solve a puzzle, because I don't know, like I feel like I got something done for sure, but I don't always feel like I could tell you what I did. Or like brag about it to somebody. Like, yeah, I beat this really hard level. Oh, what was the level like? Kind of had to like do this and then like maneuver this over here so that in just the right way. Like, I remember working hard to solve a puzzle, but I don't remember like what the solutions were. Anyway, that's just something I've been thinking about. And so, yeah, with this one though, with the escape room, I always think of escape rooms as really puzzle heavy, but it's not. When I think about my experience with escape rooms, I don't think it's always just about the puzzles. There's also a lot of like, I remember one escape room where we just had to like find a bunch of things, and that's true. That's true for most escape rooms, and I'm gonna have that in mind too, where it wasn't so much like difficult, or like it wasn't like a puzzle that I had to solve to get the things. It was just like there's a box and like there's a false bottom in the box, and if you can find the false bottom, you get the thing out. And like it's not that much of a puzzle. It's mostly just like doing something that's fun and satisfying. And so that's why I'm going to have this robot arm in here. It's not a puzzle so much. Like it is a little bit of a puzzle. Like you have to think about, you know, which thing controls which angle of the robot arm, and like how do you need to manipulate those. But it's kind of just like satisfying to like do it. Like, oh yes, I finally got the thing, and like, oh no, I just have to maneuver it over. Yeah, it's like the exploration phase of the room. I actually did, at GDC, I also did a puzzle, or escape room workshop. It was like this really quick, like 2-hour thing. Not even 2 hours, it's like an hour. Where we had like an hour to design a 10-minute escape room using just like sheets of paper and pencils and some like tokens and some whatever jumper cable, or not jumper cables, what are they called? This stretchy one, bungee cords. Just like some random stuff like that. And that was really hard. But he talked about some things. The guy who's giving the workshop talked about some things like you want some easy wins early on. So like stuff that's really easy, anybody can do it, but like gets you feeling like you're making progress. So just like hiding things around a room is really common at the beginning of an escape room, because like anybody can look for things, and when you find it, you feel good. And it's like it's a really easy early win. And I want like an easy early like puzzle as well. Something that's, easy to solve. It requires a little bit of thinking, but like you can say that you solved a puzzle, that sort of thing. And you kind of ramp it up. So it's the sort of things I'm thinking about. I'm getting hungry. I do have some other things I need to do today. Maybe I should call it a stream. I'm not really getting anything done either. I'm just kind of jumping around and that's interesting. I probably will have a ham sandwich, but it probably won't be on stream. I think I might make these to be diamond blocks so that they control like the diamond block. Actually, I think what I might do is make each of these each of these segments a different block, and then make the blocks you use to control them like match the segments that you're controlling. I think that'll be a little bit clearer, let you remember which thing you're controlling with which thing a little bit easier. Why do my videos have weird aspect ratios? I try to remember to full screen my videos full screen Minecraft before recording, but if I don't, then I have a taskbar like down below where my mouse is right now. So there's a taskbar. Basically, it's because I don't always play full screen, and so it just records the window area and not the like bar at the top and the taskbar at the bottom. And so that cuts off a little bit of the vertical area, which ends up being black bars in my video. How do I still look the same as 5 years ago? I don't know. Just eat a lot of ham sandwiches, I guess. What type of music do I listen to? A lot of like alternative rock, basically. Silversun Pickups and Metric and Muse, and recently I've been listening to this band called Her. It's a really weird name, but I don't think that they're at all popular. I don't know if they've ever been on the radio or anything. Did it just move? Looked like it just moved. Huh. But like alternative rock with a little bit of like electronic in it, and yeah. Recently also I've been picking up on synthwave a little bit. Oh yeah, I've like looked up some of their videos, and I always see on Her, I always see that like people are talking about how they were great in this TV show or whatever. Anyway, I just found them through like Pandora. They were just like in Pandora, so then I like listened to some of the albums, and they're good. Do I like Postal Service? Honestly, I'm not sure I could. I'm sure I've heard Postal Service songs, but I'm not sure I could name one. Is Postal Service the one that has the singer from? Yeah, it's the singer from what's it called? Death Cab for Cutie. It's not the same band, right? It's just the same singer. Or you mean it's just the singer from? Yeah. Yeah. So actually, I think I have heard some of. I think I. Anyway, yeah, I think I've liked those songs when I have heard them. It's a great show if I'm into melodrama about the early 2000s lesbian community in upper class LA. I mean, that's one of the topics that I, like the most. But, yeah. Is Such Great Heights, is that Postal Service? I like that song. I didn't. I guess I just think of it as the same band as Death Cab for Cutie. I don't watch anime. No. Yeah, actually, I should probably play some there's got to be some computer escape room games, right? I looked on YouTube to try and find some Minecraft escape rooms, and they all seem pretty basic. Like they don't really use data packs or anything. They just have find the hidden lever, that sort of thing. So I wanted mine to be a little bit more, I don't know, out there, I guess. A little bit more, have some themes to it, have some stuff you come away being like, oh, that was awesome. Remember that part where you controlled the robot arm with sliders? Oh god, how did that thing even work? Yeah, they're mostly just kind of find the button or find the lever, or craft the lever out of stick and cobblestone, that sort of thing. Oh, most of the escape rooms are VR. Interesting. That actually sounds really fun. I should stay hydrated. Thank you. I have a Oculus V1, the original Oculus headset. Beta one, maybe? The original one that they did on Kickstarter. I never really used it too much. Yield Oculus, exactly. But yeah, you can't really use that for anything. It's not very good. I would kind of like to get a VR headset at some point, but I kind of want them to get a little bit better before I spend the money, to be honest. Perhaps one day I could recreate this in Bedrock Edition and be playable in VR. There's mods for Minecraft that let you play in VR, aren't there? Do I have that Connect Charades set up lying around? I still have all the code for it, and I still have all the hardware for it somewhere, but... And I think it would probably still, function in Minecraft and everything. Am I still working with Mindcade? No, I think Mindcade sold to somebody else. It's not called Mindcade, or maybe it is still called Mindcade, and just the company changed. Anyway. No, they still have I think they still have Super Craft Brothers up and stuff, or not? Yeah, Super Craft Brothers and Super Minecraft Maker. And I don't know. I originally had some revenue sharing agreement with them, but I don't really care anymore. I don't think they get enough traffic anyway to really... Yeah, I don't really care. Thank you, Philahar. Okay. I think I should probably call it. I'm not really doing anything anyway. I'm just... How old am I? I turned 32 today. I know. I don't look a day over 50. I know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do some Mario Maker 2 when it comes out. Hopefully I can get an early copy. Last time I like asked for an early copy and it arrived like release day, like after I'd already downloaded the game manually. Or like bought it and downloaded it. But hopefully I can get an early copy this time. I think it'd be really cool. I don't know. I don't know if Nintendo still likes me. I have sort of like an on again, off again relationship with Nintendo. But yeah, that'd be cool. Anyway, okay, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. Thanks everyone for coming by and wishing me a happy birthday. It was a pretty fun stream. We got this thing working, so that's neat. I like this. It's like fun to play around with, and it could probably be tweaked a lot to make it better, but you know, it's fun. It's funsies. Yeah, thanks for the donations. I got a few donations. A little birthday present. A few bits and some subs and everything. Thanks everybody for coming by. Yeah. Yeah, run a quick ad and thanks for watching. See ya.